Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the integrated video app is and how it's positioned. The app name, Integrated Video, could not be clearly identified as a specific, verified mobile application through official app stores or trusted sources. There are multiple services and products with similar or identical names, which makes it unclear which exact app is being referred to. Because of this ambiguity, it is not possible to confidently match features, developer information, or official descriptions to a single verified app. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Without a confirmed listing tied to a specific developer, any feature descriptions would be speculative and cannot be verified. This could indicate that the app name is either too generic, region-specific, or not widely indexed in official app marketplaces. For users searching for this app, it may be necessary to verify the exact developer name or platform to ensure the correct app is being downloaded. This app may exist under a slightly different name or branding, which could be a possibility but is not confirmed. Whether this app is worth using depends on identifying the correct and verified version first. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.